Hello all, this is a quick tutorial about the conflict trigger checklist Excel template. If you already have that Excel template and wants to know what exactly it's for and how to operate it, this tutorial may be helpful for you. As you can see, there are 9 different dimensions where you can define or you can find out the predictability of the upcoming conflict. What are the triggers that you can look for so that you can monitor it. This is a quick dashboard to find out what are the trigger statistics, and we'll go for the details how you can add the data. The very first slide is an how to. It talks about what you have and what are the different columns that you have. The 9 dimensions that you have is communication issues or work style differences. This is related to communication issues. Work style differences, personality classes or resource competitions, role ambiguity, performance issue, external pressure, personal issues, cultural misunderstanding, growth and changes. All of them have, so these are actually 10 different dimensions, not 9. And each of those areas have 9 triggers we have identified. And you can manage, okay, what are the specific triggers are. And whenever it is occurred, you can add yes or no. There are some examples also you can see. I'll just zoom in so that you can read it. For example, unclear or ambiguous communication. Example, instructions in meeting are often vague. Have you observed it? So you can mark it as yes. And what is the impact of this? Confusions and error in the deliverables. And proposed action, implementation in communication, clarity and training. That you can do. If you see there is something happening, you can apply these actions. Who is responsible? You can define someone names and you can define some deadline. What is the current states? Based on that current state, you will be able to see some informations coming up at the dashboards level. So there are 9 triggers for each of these dimensions or areas that you can see. For work style differences, you have 9 different areas that you should observe and find out, okay, if this is something that you have observed that may bring up a trigger, that may bring up a conflicts in your work areas. That's a very easy to use Excel. If you already have downloaded it from our website, you can use it and watch this tutorial to understand. If you think that there are some other areas that you want to change, you can change it over here. All right. So I believe this will be helpful for you to manage your upcoming triggers or manage your upcoming conflicts. These are the different triggers which create or bring up conflicts within your team. And at the final stage, these are the dashboards. Let me know if you have any queries. I'll also give the link for that Excel template in this video descriptions. So in case you have not purchased it, you can purchase it from there. All right. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.